Hey, let's cut straight to it. You've sat down at your desk and felt that tiny nudge of frustration when your system doesn't quite keep up. That's where this starts, with the ACEMAGIC Mini PC. This is for the kind of person who values efficiency and capability. You're the one who gets annoyed when your setup bogs down, not because you're chasing specs, but because you feel every hesitation. You've outgrown gear that just barely handles what you do. Before anything else, take a minute to check the current price and availability. Minis with this power don't linger in stock, and timing often makes a bigger difference than you expect. There's a moment you'll notice immediately. You fire up a project or jump into a multitasking session and expect that familiar lag, those tiny pauses you've learned to tolerate. Then it doesn't happen. Suddenly everything feels responsive, smooth, consistent, effortless. That's when you realize how long you've been adjusting to your old setup instead of working with it. Once you ditch the compromises of underpowered machines, there's a real sense of relief. No more closing background apps before you start work. No more waiting for things to settle. You get right into what matters. You feel it during long days where productivity shouldn't feel fluid but actually does. You feel it when you switch between apps without a beat. You feel it even during casual use, scrolling, streaming, organizing, because the system just keeps up. Not fighting for a breath. Not apologizing. This isn't about raw benchmark numbers. It's about how natural the experience feels. Here, performance matches intention, and that barely perceptible smoothness becomes something you notice when it's gone, only now, it doesn't go. If you're thinking about it, don't wait around for stock shifts or random price jumps. Compact PCs like this tend to disappear quietly, and you don't want to circle back weeks later wishing you'd acted. You might hesitate because it's not a giant desktop tower. That pause usually comes from years of associating power with size. Here, that headroom turns into convenience, powerful multitasking without the bulk. The surprise benefit shows up later. You start taking it places. Desk setup feels cleaner. Setup feels lighter. You realize how much wasted space your old rig took up and how little you miss it now. Owning something this capable feels intentional. It feels like you've chosen tools that match how you actually live and work, without compromise. Handles multitasking with ease, feels fluid in everyday use. Small footprint, big capability, starts fast, stays responsive, feels smart in real life, not for heavy AAA gaming upgrades or less modular. At some point, you stop comparing specs and just choose what feels right. You keep coming back to this because it already matches how you want to work and play. Don't let this be one of the upgrades you think about later when you're bumping into limits again. If this fits how seriously you take performance and convenience, make the call now and enjoy the difference every single day.